Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews and more. So if you love to craft and do budget friendly home decor, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload and so you won't miss none of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn a Dollar Tree hat into 3 different beautiful home decor. And I absolutely love how every single one turned out. So thank you so much for stopping by, and now let's craft. For all my 3 projects, I will be using this summer hat I got from Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the tag, the bow, and then I'm going to take this apart. This is not that hard to take apart. It is actually very easy, and once I was done unthreading it all the way to where the head piece starts, I stopped it there and then I cut it, and I did have to glue it back just so it wouldn't keep on threading. I will be saving this part of the hat for my 3rd DIY. I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree buckets. 3 come in a pack, and I'm going to use this one that I already used in one of my previous videos. I'm going to start by gluing the string thing around the bucket all the way until I get to the bottom. Once I am done wrapping it around, I'm just going to cut it and then glue it at the bottom. I did remove the handle part off, and I also cut these little side things with some scissors. It's not that hard to cut. Going to add some handle parts using this same ribbon or string thing, and when I first cut it, I cut them too small. I thought these were gonna look cute small, but nope, they don't. So I ended up cutting some bigger ones. Then I'm going to glue it, one on each side. By the way, if you see red inside the bucket, that is actually stain. I had tried to use a marker on this bucket, and I tried it first inside to see how it looked on the outside, but I didn't like it, and I tried to remove it, but it didn't come off. But anyways, so I did end up gluing both of these first, and then the small pieces that I had cut first at the beginning, those I'm going to use to cover the top, and I'm going to glue them one by one until I fill the whole top, or yeah. And the last thing I did was add some jute around it, and that is it for this beautiful planter. All I did was add some boxwood greenery, and you can put it on a candle holder like that, or you can even add some string so it can hang. For my second DIY, I will be reusing this stove cover I got from Dollar Tree. I did use this back in Christmas. I made a tier stand using this. That's why you can see the circle in the middle. That is because I removed a candle holder. So to cover that up, I will be using some chalk paint. This already has some jute string around it, so all I did was add some more. To match the rest of my decor, I'm going to use the hat string thing, and I'm going to glue it around it. I'm going to add some more of the jute string inside just to cover some of the glue. I will be adding some more of the jute string around it, and you can use it as a stand for this beautiful planter, or if you want to use it as a wall decor piece, you can add anything in the middle. And I'm going to add this Believe wood sign that I got from Michael's. I'm going to just glue it inside the middle, and then with some antique wax I'm going to just go around the jute string to cover some of the glue, and also because I did burn some of these little hairs with a lighter and I wanted it to like match more. To hang this to the wall, I will be gluing a piece of this string to the back. For my last and third DIY, it is this beautiful hanging planter, which I absolutely love how this turned out. For this DIY, I'm going to use the rest of the hat. And I did remove some of that string that was left over, matter of fact, and I removed the tag inside. And you don't have to add anything, but I decided to add this helmet thing I got from Dollar Tree. This is actually one of my son's toy. It was already broken, so I decided just to take it apart so I can use it inside the middle, or inside this bucket, just so it can stand up straight and it's not that wobbly or flimsy. Next thing I will be doing is I'm going to add some of the nautical rope that is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to just glue it around the top part. And at the last minute is where I decided that I wanted to make this a hanging planter. When I first started doing this, I didn't know what kind of planter I was doing. All I knew is that I wanted to do a planter with this part of the hat. So once I was done gluing the nautical rope all around the hat, I left some over so I can make like a hook or like a hanger thing for this planter. The last thing I added was the greenery of my choice, which was the boxwood greenery. I know I keep using this, but I love it. I love this greenery. And you can also put it on top of a candle holder to just use it as a regular planter or as a hanging planter. So guys, that is it for this video. I absolutely love how all three of the DIYs, oh my god, I absolutely love how all three of the DIYs turned out. Let me know down in the comments, what would you name this? Is this farmhouse, boho, modern farmhouse, or I don't know. I just knew I wanted to do something with this hat. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.